What is going on, guys? Today we are back with another video racing FTR in Bartow, Florida. Quite a bit has changed since the last time you guys saw us. Max moved up to C class. He's racing a YFZ450. Sam is now racing a Raptor 250 in junior class. And my girlfriend Angelina is now racing in quad women's. This is her first ever race today. So let's see how she does. And here Angelina goes. Had a pretty decent start off the line. Right now the problem is though she is stuck behind a lot of the quad masters. So right here she goes actually right around this big pile up and manages to pass most of them, which is a pretty smart move from Angelina. And look at Sam, again with an awesome start on his brand new Raptor 250. Let's see if he can keep up that momentum. I bit off more than I could chew right there. That was a scene straight out of Mario Kart. I just got put into 4th place. I really don't know how that happened. I really got to make up this time. Well guys, that concludes FTR number 1, and man, I gotta say that was a hell of a race. Sam got 3rd, Max of course got 2nd, and I got 1st. So I really want to say great job to everybody who raced today. We did a fantastic job. That's one hell of a way to start the racing season. So yeah, going forward, we're just gonna try to keep the same energy, you know, trying to take each race one race at a time and go from there. Angelina's race was cut short. She ended up getting rear-ended, as you guys saw, and then she got stuck, and then her quad was acting up. It wasn't turning right, so she DNF'd this race. But we're coming back next race. We're fixing up her quad, so it'll be good to go for the next race. And like I said, I'm proud of everybody who raced today. We all put up one hell of a fight, and I couldn't be more proud of my team. We're all excited and stoked for the next race. It's good to be back. Alright guys, well that's it for me. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time.